Hello viewers, let's continue our CodeChef series, and now we have to solve one more question on less than 500 rating, which is best of 2. So in this question there is given a story of a chef took an examination in 2 times. Okay, in a first attempt he scored X marks, while in second attempt he scored Y marks. Okay, so the chef was giving the examination, and in a first attempt he got X marks, and in a second attempt he got Y marks. So according to the rule of examination, the best score that you got will be considered your final score. Okay, so you just have to determine that the final score of the chef. So you just have to check which one of the is which one score is the best, and you have to return it. So here is given example. The number of test cases is 4, and you just have to check that which one is greater, and the number which is greater, then you just have to return it. And if the number is equals to the first and second attempt, then you just have to return it, only the number that is common. So let's take an example. There is given a 40 and 60. Okay, and also given 67 and 55, and then 50 and again 50, and 1 and 100. You just have to check it that which one is greater from 40 and 60. From 40 and 60, 60 is greater. From 67 and 55, 67 is greater. And from 50 50 both are same, then you just have to return 50, and the 100 is greater. So you just have to return all these number which is greater, means in a both shift which one is greater, you just have to return only the number. I hope you understand this code. First you have to take integer t as an input, which is the test case, number of test case, and then c in t. Okay, you just have to c in t, and then you have to take while t minus minus is greater than 0, while t minus minus is greater than 0, then you just have to again check. Again you have to take int x comma int y, and then c in x and c in y. You just have to check if x is greater than y, then you just have to see out x is greater than or equal to y, then you just have to see out x. Else if y is greater than x, then you just have to see out y. Okay, so I hope you understand the code that what this question is telling. So let's do this. First you have to create int t, which is the number of test cases, and then c in t while t minus minus is greater than 0, then you just have to check int x comma y, and then c in x, c in y. And again you just have to check if x is greater than y. If x is greater than or equals to y, then you just have to do c out x. Else if y is greater than x, then you just have to do c out y, and then end it. So let's run this code. Yeah, this code works fine. Let's submit this. but this has been accepted. Thanks for watching.